In this video, we have curated a list of the top 10 indoor plants according to our preferences. Due to the consistent and predictable indoor conditions found across various regions, the care requirements are generally consistent for the plants featured in our selection. Key care recommendations encompass transplanting the plants every 2 years, utilizing pre-made soil mixtures tailored to each plant type, ensuring optimal lighting with direct sunlight, and implementing shading during specific periods. Watering is advised when the soil surface in the pot is dry, and feeding is suggested only during the growing season, typically around once a month. Transplanting should be conducted every 2 years, using ready-made mixtures suitable for decorative deciduous plants or succulent plants. Optimal lighting involves direct sunlight, with shading required from May to August or when the air temperature exceeds plus 30 degrees Celsius, particularly from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., with about 40% light scattering. Acceptable lighting includes bright diffused sunlight or partial shade. Inadequate illumination may cause plants to elongate, variegated varieties to lose color, and leaves to turn the usual green. Watering frequency should be based on the dryness of the soil surface in the pot, and feeding is restricted to the growing period, occurring once a month. Now, let's delve into the list of the top 10 indoor plants. We will explore 10 indoor plants that are not only easy to care for, but also perfect for creating a healthier and more vibrant home environment. 1. Spider plant. The spider plant earns acclaim for its outstanding air-purifying attributes, making it a superb option for indoor environments. Its distinctive appearance, characterized by arching leaves and spinneret offsets, imparts a unique touch of elegance to any space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, this resilient plant actively eliminates indoor pollutants such as formaldehyde and xylene, ensuring a cleaner and fresher indoor atmosphere. With a combination of visual allure and air-purifying efficiency, the spider plant not only enhances the ambience of living spaces, but also promotes a healthier and more enjoyable environment for its occupants. 2. Snake plant. Frequently referred to as mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant stands as a low-maintenance marvel that flourishes even in low-light conditions. Its striking vertical, sword-shaped leaves not only lend a visually appealing touch to indoor spaces, but also serve a vital role in improving air quality. Renowned for its exceptional air-purifying abilities, the snake plant actively absorbs toxins such as benzene and formaldehyde, enhancing the overall well-being of its surroundings. This combination of aesthetic charm and air-purifying prowess makes the snake plant an attractive and practical choice for those seeking a resilient and visually pleasing indoor companion. 3. Peace lily. The peace lily's allure extends beyond its elegant white blooms, offering practical benefits. Exceptional at eliminating prevalent indoor pollutants such as ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde, this plant contributes to a healthier living environment. Well suited for low-light conditions, the peace lily proves to be an ideal addition to bedrooms and offices, thriving effortlessly while enhancing air quality and providing a visually pleasing touch to indoor spaces. 4. Ficus plant. The ficus plant, encompassing a diverse range of species like the fiddle-leaf fig and rubber plant, is a popular choice for indoor greenery. Known for its glossy, vibrant leaves and adaptability to various conditions, the ficus adds a touch of elegance to homes and offices. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires moderate watering. The ficus family includes both small tabletop varieties and larger, statement plants. With their air-purifying qualities and aesthetic appeal, ficus plants not only contribute to healthier indoor environments, but also serve as versatile and stylish additions to interior decor, enhancing the overall ambience of living spaces. 5. Yucca. The yucca plant, a hardy and visually striking succulent, is renowned for its resilience and architectural elegance. Native to arid regions of North and Central America, yuccas have adapted to thrive in diverse climates, making them popular choices for gardens and interior decor. Characterized by long, sword-like leaves arranged in rosettes, yuccas impart a dramatic and sculptural quality to any space. Some species produce tall flower spikes adorned with creamy white blossoms, adding further allure. With minimal water requirements and a preference for well-draining soil, yuccas are low maintenance, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, yuccas have historical and cultural significance, with some Native American tribes using their fibers for various practical purposes. Whether enhancing a desert-themed landscape or bringing a touch of architectural sophistication to interiors, the yucca plant stands as a resilient and captivating botanical choice. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera, famed for its healing properties, is an effortlessly manageable succulent that provides a multitude of benefits. Beyond its therapeutic applications, aloe vera functions as a natural air purifier, actively removing pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene from indoor environments. Its distinctive appearance, characterized by fleshy, pointed leaves, not only imparts a touch of modern elegance to any room, but also serves as a constant reminder of its versatile uses. The aloe vera's combination of aesthetic appeal and air-purifying capabilities makes it a practical and stylish addition to spaces seeking both visual sophistication and a breath of fresh, purified air. 7. Croton plant. The croton plant, recognized for its vibrant and multicolored foliage, is a tropical gem that adds a burst of energy to indoor and outdoor spaces. With leaves featuring a mix of red, yellow, orange, and green hues, crotons are prized for their ornamental value. Thriving in bright, indirect light, these plants require regular watering to maintain their lush appearance. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, crotons contribute to indoor air quality by removing pollutants. As versatile houseplants or garden accents, crotons bring a touch of the tropics to any setting, transforming spaces with their bold and expressive foliage, creating a visually dynamic and lively atmosphere. 8. Rubber plant. The rubber plant, known for its versatility and resilience, brings a timeless elegance to indoor environments. Characterized by its sizable, deep green leaves, this plant serves as a natural air purifier, effectively eliminating pollutants like formaldehyde. Its adaptability to diverse light conditions makes it a practical choice for various areas within your home, thriving in both well-lit spaces and lower light settings. The rubber plant's low-maintenance nature further enhances its appeal, making it an excellent addition to any interior decor, while also contributing to a healthier and more pleasant living environment through its air-purifying capabilities. 9. Monstera plant. The monstera plant, known for its iconic split leaves, is a tropical delight that has become a symbol of modern interior design. With its distinctive fenestrations and lush green foliage, the monstera adds a touch of exotic elegance to homes and offices. Thriving in bright, indirect light and requiring moderate watering, this plant is relatively low maintenance. Its sprawling vines and unique leaf patterns make it a favorite for both plant enthusiasts and designers seeking a statement piece. The monstera not only elevates aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. As a versatile and trendy choice, the monstera has seamlessly integrated into contemporary decor, bringing a breath of tropical freshness to any space. 10. Cactus plant. The cactus plant, a resilient succulent, stands as a testament to nature's adaptability. Flourishing in arid environments, cacti boast a unique water-storing mechanism, allowing them to thrive with minimal moisture. Their striking, often spiky, architecture and varied shapes contribute to their aesthetic allure, making them popular choices for both outdoor landscapes and indoor decor. Cacti are low maintenance, requiring infrequent watering and thriving in well-draining soil. Beyond their ornamental value, some cacti, like aloe vera, offer medicinal benefits. The cactus plant's ability to thrive in challenging conditions, coupled with its diverse appearances and practical uses, has made it a symbol of resilience and a distinctive addition to diverse gardens and living spaces. Bringing nature indoors with these 10 indoor plants is a delightful and beneficial endeavor. Whether you are looking to improve air quality, reduce stress, or simply enhance the aesthetics of your living spaces, these plants offer a natural solution. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on creating a greener, healthier home environment.